Namaste to all. Advanced KP Stellar Astrology online Zoom class. Starting date is 16/4/2025. That means coming April 16, the class will be start. Qualification for this class is the student should have some knowledge in basic astrology. That means traditional astrology knowledge. This is in English medium. Their course fees is 7,500. The material, actually 50 pre-recorded video we will send immediately. Once we received the amount 7,500, immediately we will send 50 recorded videos and study materials. And 15 days live Zoom class, that is doubt clarification class. This is Friday, Saturday and Sunday 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. The class is conducted by Jyotish Kalanidhi, A. Devaraj, Chennai. For more details, please call 9382339084 and our website www.astrodevaraj.com also there and www.kpastrology.com, kpastrologyclass.com also there. In this KP, if the person who are having some basic knowledge in KP astrology, that is best, because we are using the method is only the prediction techniques we are conducting the class. The class details as follows. Once the payment 7,500 received, within 24 hours, our 50 recorded video and study material to be sent immediately. The doubt clarify classes is 45 minutes, 15 classes through Zoom meeting. That means Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. IST. The doubts clarify classes also recorded. That means the Zoom classes also recorded and it will be sent to all the students through the private link. For more, actually this private link only you only can see, the student only can see. For payment, Google Pay number is 94457217993. Phone Pay number is 9382339084. For more detail, please contact 9382339084. Our website is www.astrodevaraj.com and www.kpastrologyclass.com. Topics, the covered topics is importance of Cuspal Interlinks, CIL concept, principle and golden rule in Cuspal Interlinks theory, inner and outer bhava karagas details, importance of potential for all bhavas, importance of dasa buddhi, application of Cuspal Interlinks theory, and birth time rectification and ruling planet, finance or money astrology, job and profession astrology, marriage astrology, education astrology, medical astrology, childbirth astrology, and the property astrology, timing of event astrology, share market astrology, foreign travel astrology, business astrology, various horoscope analysis, transit analysis in horoscope, horary or prasanna prediction technique also. Note, those who are coming to our online class, please watch our English YouTube public videos also. For more details, please contact 9382339084. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.